We're going to start with preparing our mannequin so that we're comfortable with the products and the accessories before we work on an actual model. We're going to start with our gel eye pads, and we want this to sit right underneath our client's top lashes and on top of her bottom lashes. To make sure that it doesn't run up her nose. If it does run up her nose, then the gel eye pads don't always sit correctly. The next product we're going to use is the primer, so just giving it a good shake, making sure that all those ingredients blend through nicely. Going to add a tiny bit to our jade stone. Get about 100 applications with this product. A little bit really does go a long way. Hands on the mannequin's head and on the side of her face, and we gently want to coat the lashes in this primer. Under and over, making sure that every single lash is the primer is reaching. And from there we can begin lashing.